How long does it take you to write a standard sales article, a clip script, an email, or an advertising content? Now, with AI Assistant AI technology, in just 3 seconds with just a mouse click, you have a lot of email scripts and advertising content for you to choose optimally according to your needs and desires. Content A helps you create content using artificial intelligence to help users comfortably create many different content, such as writing standard sales content, writing articles, blog, write email, marketing, write advertising articles, Facebook, Google, Ads, create automatic video scripts, and many other features, such as automatically writing articles based on keywords. You just need to enter the keyword, choose the tone of the article content tool. They will automatically create content and quickly write articles based on available sources with input data sources and keywords of any content, who will help you create new unique articles that don't overlap with the content and are optimized sales standard support. Writing detailed reviews about the pros and cons of outstanding features as well as experience in using the product effectively to attract customers. Not only does it support writing standard sales content, it also allows you to create attractive quality advertising samples, help you save time on research. Content improves efficiency in reaching target customers. Automatically writes professional marketing emails to help you optimize the performance of your public email marketing strategy. A tool to help you write welcome emails, outreach emails, emails providing product information, emails, promotional programs. And AI is also a powerful tool that allows business people on e-commerce platforms to write product descriptions and product benefits. Product title, product features. Automatically create attractive video script content to help you spread your products and services on multiple platforms during short video production. Besides, AI content software is also integrated. Extremely useful features, such as AI image suggestions to create images automatically, AI code suggestions to create code commands to serve programmers, converting text to speech. Standard plagiarism check with the above superior features. When using AI content software, you will receive many benefits, such as helping you save time compared to manual writing, helping you create a lot of new content in a very short period of time, helping you create content for many different topics and fields, thereby helping you expand the range of content you can provide to your customers and readers, increasing marketing performance, increasing engagement, and creating more marketing opportunities. Increased accuracy and consistency helps you create quality content and make a good impression on readers. Optimize content for search engines. SEO helps your content rank higher in search engines. Search from there to increase the ability to reach customers.